Where's my race ball at?
Right outside of you guys, behind.
Whole bunch of people here. Knocked another one.
I made one white.
Another one, watch out.
Throwing grenades, throwing grenades.
He's in trouble, got him.
You guys saved my life.
Oh shit, right here. Oh, this dude's one shot back here. Ooh. Getting shot at from somewhere else though. Up on the hill. Watch out behind you. Watch out, G.
Knocked one.
Knocked one, killed one.
Watch
out, Falcon, behind you. Oh, absolutely one shot behind that tree. Knocked one.
Oh shit! On me! He just fucking fell down.
Snap.
He's one shot.
Damn, he killed me.
Got him. I need to fucking people going in.
Oh snap! I landed on PP.
On me.
109 to the head.
Ooh, that sniper you grabbed.
Oh, there's still people here?
There's still two guys right there.
They seem
Christian,
intimidated.
you can, so you can get from behind.
They got shield, but I'm messing them up anyways. Man.
Christian can get from behind.
Nice. Was that a grenade?
I'm talking about mid. Oh shit! On me!
Oh yep.
She's white.
Right underneath you. Martina.
There's more in the background.
I'm gonna try to revive Christian. Just keep him busy.
There you are. Oh! Alright, this guy's a good shot. I'm gonna end up dying.
Where's he at?
Oh, he's trying to fucking get fancy.
Oh, I see where he's at.
Oh, there
Down,
we go.
Bitch. Get down.
Snipes.
They're from Salty.
Yeah, somewhere over there.
They dropped them. They got the drop. He starts spraying.
Reloading. It's just one.
Got him.
Ooh.
Oh, somebody missed me.
It's a hell of a game.
Crack him for 100 steps.
Where are you? In the same
Right behind
house?
Martinez.
Alright. Shield, white.
Somebody shot and missed. I don't know.
Ooh, second place coming up behind us. Turn around. Second place coming in hard. One guy. Second place. One guy, white shot.
I got him for 28. There, got him. He's dead.
Ooh. We are
We're first place. They're
gotta stay alive.
They're gonna start pushing.
Yeah. Oh shit, he's here. Oh man. My bad. Whoops.
Take him out, Martinez.
Oh shit.
I'm underneath you.
I fell.
Are
They're
we
looking
third?
for me. We're first. They're in the same house as I am.
Oh, I see. Kind of.
Did you put the trap?
Nope, they put one, and I have one right here. Oh,
Oh, you gotta be freaking kidding me.
where is it?
It's right by the front door.
I'm getting shot
Got
from the
one right
backside too. Over there.
And he's here with me. He's white. I got him. but I'm gonna die. Hey, he's going up, footsteps going up, right behind us, right here.
Go out the back, G. Oh shit. Where at?
Right there, right behind the fence.
Got him.
He's there.
Good call. I gotta get those maps though.
You're very close, guys. We're very close. Who's shooting?
Falcon.
He's 35. I got him for 35. Spray from all sides. He's 35. He's white. He's done. He's dead. He has a gold scar. And a pump. Oh, do you guys know how to launch that?
No.
Where are they?
Right
He's
there.
just one guy.
Oh, right here. Rushing in hard.
Just one guy. I think. Oh, maybe I may be lying.
Oh,
No, I'm lying.
RPG coming in.
I'm gonna go inside the house and shoot from inside the house. We got 57 seconds. Oh god damn.
Yeah. He's got this RPG. It's doing mad work.
I'm gonna start going into
Yeah.
the circle, right?
Yeah.
Gee, is this your trap up here?
Yes. I'm moving into the circle.
I'm getting shot. Super
Oh, they're
low
coming
on
for me.
mats. Yeah, they are.
They're coming for me.
20?
They're coming for me.
Oh my god, I don't even know how I got hit. Fucking fortress behind me. Ah, they're coming in hot.
How many lives you got left, Martinez?
Behind you, behind you. One?
I got 2 fucking lives, guys.
We just go after the number 1 people, right?
Yeah, fuck it. Oh no, we should stay back. This is a circle.
We ain't got
hey,
no
let's go right
points.
here. Okay, alright. I mean, he's gonna die right now. They're all going for him, but...
It's coming down.
They're coming for me too.
Oh god.
Take out your sniper, Martinez.
He's above me, G.
Yeah, I see him.
Got him.
Nice, let's go.
400?
Ooh. Yep, another one's here though. RPG guy. 25. Oh no. He's glowing now. He's got it all. He's the RPG guy too. Nice. Got launch pad. You got a launch pad. Bandages. Nice.
Wait. How am I now?
Sniping. He's right there glowing.
What the? Still got one more life, no worries.
Oh yeah? Nice.
Yeah. I just don't know how to play this shit.
Match ends in 4
I just landed in a
minutes.
tree.
Now I take fall damage.
Shoot him with the scar.